It's great seeing everybody. Your willingness to come out here and have a good time on the course to help raise awareness and raise funds for PanCan. We really appreciate that.
Over the years, we've done a lot of good things. We started not raising a ton of money early, but every year it just gets bigger and we raise more money for this, and it's all because of you. I think, after this year, it's going to be over $500,000 that we'll have raised over the 25 years. And a lot of that's covered in the last 2 years.